going on, Griddle Nation? We are in Miami with the famous Blackstone Betty. She's officially part of the team, and we're here kind of eating our way around the festival.
So fun.
Have you ever been to Miami before?
Never.
It's super fun.
Having a blast.
We're here for the Food Network South Beach Wine and Food, right?
Food and wine. Wine and food.
Wine and Food Festival.
South
The
Beach.
Food Network
South
Cooking
Beach.
Channel South Beach Wine and Food Festival. Nailed it. Got it. High five. Teamwork. Take two. So we're here just hanging out at the festival. We're actually throwing a party tonight on Espanola Way. We're hanging out with George Motz. We're gonna make those delicious Motz burgers, which I'm really excited about.
I've never had one yet.
You had to meet George yesterday. What do you think of George?
I think he is amazing.
He's so cool.
He's amazing.
It's the hair. He's like a mad burger scientist.
We kind of matched last night, our hair. My beachy hair and his beachy hair.
Well, we're throwing a party later tonight. Rev Run is DJing, which is super cool.
I'm so excited. We're gonna
It's gonna be a lot of fun. But today we're gonna head over to the grand tasting tent to kind of just taste, like, when you eat food at festivals like this, you get a chance to experience chefs that just have an amazing level of skill. The food is really stuff you don't get to eat all the time. Actually, I kind of feel like the food that you make, and if you guys have seen the photos, it's very much restaurant quality. It feels like you're this Italian little restaurant that happens to be at Blackstone Betty's house.
Just Italian little mom.
How did you get started cooking?
I have done it in the kitchen with my grandma, my mom, who were always in the kitchen all the time. So it was just, the girls helped cook, and I love it. Your
stuff really is impressive. If you guys haven't seen it, you guys gotta go check it out. I feel, was there like a learning curve? Are you like, oh, I'm kind of interested in cooking, and then you're just
nope, I've always loved
awesome?
it. I've always loved it because I saw the reaction that people gave my mom and my grandma when they were being fed their food, and I wanted the same thing.
Yeah.
That, oh my God, it's so good.
Cooking for people
is how you show love. It's a sign of affection.
We should cook. While we're here in Miami, we should come up with some fun recipes.
Let's do it. I think we had an idea yesterday.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. All right, we're gonna go check out the festival, and we gotta meet up with George in a little while.
He's coming with us.
Because we've got about, what, 800 smash burgers to make later?
Ugh.
We're gonna be going to town.
Wait.
All right, let's go check out the grand tasting. Carlo just made me a pork belly, how do I call it?
Pork belly arepa with
pork belly arepa
with cilantro, red chilies, and also papadon sauce.
Get out of here.
Yes, try it. It's amazing.
All day. So good. So this is kind of a Miami staple. We got a delicious guava pastry. Have you ever had one of these before?
Never.
Money. Crazy good. So this event has been an absolute blast. We've had some delicious food. We've had some gin and white wine and red wine.
Lots of fun.
Cheers to a good time. Now we gotta go to meet George Motz is waiting for us.
1,000 burgers tonight.
Probably 1,000 burgers.
Lots of them.
We're gonna make George Motz's fried onion burgers at a little late night party we're doing on
Espanola Way.
Espanola Way. There's a party awaiting.
Midnight Eats.
Let's go get it on. We gotta get to work.
At the
South Beach Wine and Food Festival.
Yes.
We'll get it right eventually.
Yes. I like this fast pace. This is how I cook when I cook burgers for my family. I'm usually the one cooking them though, not doing the buns.
I'm sorry to get in there.
So it's been fun. George is amazing. I think that he makes the best burger I've ever had, and he's super sweet and nice. And
oh, George.
He is.
What'd you say?
I said you're super sweet and nice.
Oh, that's so nice. I love this burger because it's a great crowd pleaser. You hear that? People were freaking out about the burger. They were freaking out. And I love this burger because it is a burger where the sum is greater than its parts. Because there's not many parts. But at the end, when you're finished making this thing, people go, whoa, what's the magic? What's in here? That's why I love it.
So we have been making burgers for about an hour now. What do we think, an hour, George?
More than that, I think.
A little more than an hour. We've made a ton of burgers, but people are going crazy for it. Blackstone is in the house in South Beach. This has been such an amazing night. There were so many people. George, you killed it as usual. How many burgers we do, George?
Like 700, 600, something? I don't know. I've lost count. I lost count.
George did 600. I mean, I did a few. If you guys haven't tried these yet, they're unbelievable. We have a video up. We'll put a link to George's video, George's website. If you guys don't know George, go to GeorgeMotz.com, right?
Yeah, GeorgeMotz.com.
Yeah, you want to say anything to the Griddle Nation?
Yeah, that was fun. This was, I gotta tell you, we got this together at the last second, and somehow we still managed to make this happen because the Blackstone Griddle kicks ass. I mean, this thing, we were up and running in a matter of like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Out of the box.
It hasn't stopped since.
Yeah, we haven't
just
stopped.
been cruising.
Out of the box. We seasoned the thing with, actually seasoned it with hamburger meat. About 10 minutes,
Oh yeah, that's
ready
a
to
trick.
go.
That's a trick I just learned from
And that was
George.
it. Done. We're ready to go.
Tell them what to do. It's a cool trick. You throw it like you're seasoning your griddle.
Sorry, here.
You throw, I'll switch, go Des. You throw some ground beef down on your griddle and you use the beef fat to season your griddle. It's George Motz special right there. Well, thank you guys for hanging out watching. Desiree couldn't have done it without you. Blackstone Betty, if you don't know her, be sure to check out Blackstone Bites and more. And you'll be seeing tons more from Desiree. Did you have fun?
Yes, I'm so, yes.
Did you feel like you learned something from
I
George?
love George, yeah.
It was a ton of fun.
The best burger ever.
If you guys want to see a bunch of recipes, a bunch of our other videos, be sure to go to BlackstoneProducts.com. I'm Nate. Blackstone Betty. Mr. George Motz.
I'm George.
See you guys in the next video.
I'm posing.
Pretending to work.
Party's over, and you know what? I'm still cooking.